Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought we could do a little bit of a more casual, relaxed video. It's not going to be a tutorial or anything, and as you can tell by the title, we're doing a Sephora haul. So I went to Sephora a few days ago, well actually like a week ago now, and my sick obsession slash problem really came into play. So I went a little bit crazy at Sephora. Wow, I literally look like Sephora right now. I'm getting like serious Cruella de Vil vibes. Yeah, I thought we could kind of just talk through some of the stuff I got. A few things are newer, some things aren't quite as new, but they're new to me, and I actually do have a few replacement products in here as well. So some that I really liked and wanted to repurchase. So yeah, if you're interested to see what I got at Sephora, then let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I'm just gonna keep this massive bag here on my lap and try and pull stuff out. So we don't need that. Let's start with the boring stuff. So I got a new Beauty Blender Solid, and I got the Chill Swirl, which is the new like limited edition that goes with the teal Beauty Blender. I did not get the Beauty Blender that goes along with that. Instead, I just repurchased my classic pink. This is my favorite one. I do use the black one, the Pro, sometimes, but I definitely prefer the pink. So now that we got the boring stuff out of the way, let's start with the very exciting Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I've been wanting this so bad, but it's so expensive, but whatever. I think it's worth it. My skin has been really changing lately. I'm a lot drier, and I know we're kind of transitioning into spring, summer, but I do still have really dry skin, so I thought that I would give this guy a try. And I mean, like, everybody uses it. I mean, this is just like a luxurious product. I'm so excited. So it comes in the box like this, and then you just pull that out, and this is what the actual product looks like. It's kind of small, but I think it'll last me for a couple of months. We'll see. So going along with some kind of like skincare-ish products, I did purchase the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir 24 karat gold infused beauty oil. It looks like this. This is not the unicorn drops. These are the rose gold. Yes, rose gold. It just comes in a little squeezy tube like this. I think this is really nice again because I have dry skin. You just unscrew it like this and it's a little dropper. They smell so good. I mean, these are so Instagram famous, so I thought that I would go ahead and give them a go. So the next product that I got is this Ole Henrickson Find Your Balance Oil Control Cleanser. This purifies, deeply cleans pores with green fusion complex, neem seed oil, glycolic, and lactic acids. So it's tiny for a freaking cleanser. This is ridiculous. I figured for summer it would be pretty good because I do get kind of oily in the summertime. I get more combo skin. So I think it would be nice to have something kind of controlling that a little bit. So the next product that I got is the Kevyn Aucoin, the Sculpting Powder. This is what the box looks like. This is what the little compact looks like. It is a contour powder, but I'm feeling like this is so, it might work. I don't know. I'm like so, wow, that's really finely milled. That feels really good. We'll see. I'm pretty fair at the moment, so I think it could work. I think it could work, but as I self-tan, I'm kind of taking a break right now, but when I do put on some self-tan, I don't know if that would necessarily work. And I don't know if I want to keep something that was $60 if I can only use it half the time. So while we're on the topic of contour, I got the Hoola Quickie Contour Stick. I'm not really one to use cream products all that much. I just like a very matte finish the majority of the time. So I don't know. We'll see though. It comes out of the packaging like this. I mean, this is like a pretty well-known thing. This is nothing new here. And that's what it looks like. It feels not sturdy. Like I feel like this is about to like pop out. I don't know. We'll see. It feels kind of like cheap. I think it will be really nice in the summertime when I have a little bit more of a tan. I don't typically wear as much makeup, so I can just do a quick bronze, throw on some brows, a little bit of mascara, and be out the door. Oh, and highlight, of course. But for kind of a quick, easy makeup look, I think it would be nice to travel with, and it does seem to blend out pretty nicely. So we'll see how that meshes with my foundations. I got the Amrezy Anastasia highlight. I'm really excited about this, and I don't know if I want to swatch it yet because it's just so beautiful. This is what it looks like. It's really nice. It's a thick, compact, it's really like luxurious packaging. And then, oh my god, look at that. It has like the waves in it. It is so, so pretty. All right, you know what? We're gonna swatch it. Ugh. I think I was too, like, I didn't do it aggressively enough. Ooh, yeah. That's pretty. Okay, I'm excited about this. An illuminating powder with an ultra smooth formula and radiant finish. So, I mean, Amrezy, if you follow her on Instagram, her face always looks fantastic and her highlight is always blinding. So I'm sure that this is going to be equally as fantastic on the skin, and I hope that people can see it from space. So this next product was a serious splurge. I have a few things in here that were kind of a splurge. So, disclaimer, I do not go to Sephora often, and so when I do go, I get things that are kind of pricier and that I've been having my eye on for such a long time. I mean, these are not like impulse. There's a few impulse purchases, but the majority of these are not impulse purchases. These are things that I've been wanting for a really long time, and I haven't been to a Sephora in forever, so I really, you know, I kind of go a little bit crazy. But so this is one of my splurges. This is the Tom Ford Soleil Blanc perfume, and I just got the small size, but this is what it looks like. The top comes off like this, and mine's actually backwards. It sits in this little bottom like that, and you just pull it out, take this top off, and there's your perfume. And this smells, oh my god. It smells so good. This is off the Sephora website. It says, inspired by remote private islands where summer lasts all year and one day seamlessly blends into the next. Soleil Blanc is an addictive solar floral amber alive with seductive refinement and refreshing decadence. So the notes are bergamot, that's my favorite, cardamom oil, pistachio accord, ylang, benzoin extract, cocoa. Oh my god, I don't know what the fuck is in this thing, but it smells a little bit like sunscreen. It smells a little bit like coconut. It smells a little bit like I should be on a beach with a really bougie drink in my hand that has like a flower in it, and there's like beautiful half-naked tan people all around me. That's what this smells like, and that's what I want from it, and I want that in life. And if I can wear this and feel that way, then I consider it a win. Oh, I went out of order. So back to highlighters. I got the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops, and I got mine in the shade Moonlight. I've been wanting these for a while as well, but I was just never into that like super glowy look enough to buy these, but now I am. So I want to, as I said before, be able to see my highlight from space. So same thing, it's just a little dropper. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand. It's very metallic-y, and this you can mix into your foundation, or you can use as a kind of cream liquid highlight. That's it right there. Super pretty. And I think it can be as subtle or as blinding as you want, depending on how much you've built it up and what you use to apply the product. I have 3 more products to discuss with you guys, and they are all eyeshadow palettes. So the first one that I got is the Huda Beauty Desert Dust Palette. It just looks like this. I was considering getting the Rose Gold palette, but I don't know. I feel like I have a lot of tones, a lot of eyeshadows that color scheme, that tone, and this is kind of different for me. It looks like this when you open it up. This comes out and there's a mirror underneath. I don't want to take that out though because I'll blind you. And who am I kidding? I have a ton of these tones too, but I just thought like, I don't know if I'll ever use this like pressed glue. I don't know, that seems very chunky to me, and when I tried it in Sephora, I swatched it, that's not what sold me on this palette. But I mean, like this color Twilight here, this like iridescent purple situation is so pretty. Retrograde, like, hello. I mean, like angelic, that's beautiful. These seem very pigmented, and they seem like they'll blend okay. And I liked this palette because it had a cream shade to kind of set the lid, this like transition shade here, some stuff to darken it up, and then you have some fun lid colors. So I really like that about palettes like this, is when you can do a complete look. You have everything you need in one place. You don't need to reach for multiple palettes or dip into different eyeshadows. You can get one look out of one product. This goes against everything that I just said. But this thing is so beautiful. I mean, look at this packaging. First of all, this is the Pat McGrath Mothership 4 palette. But I mean, just like look at this packaging. So you undo it like this, and then it opens like so. And oh my God, everything about this is just like luxury. And I think Pat McGrath is so cool. I want to be her. She's awesome and has such innovative, fun products that no one else has. So you open the palette like this. First of all, look how big this is. But it's really, really nice. You open it up like this. The only thing that bothers me about this palette is it doesn't fold all the way down, which, I mean, I guess is fine when you're doing your eyeshadow. You kind of look like this and apply your eyeshadow, so you don't need it to fold all the way down, but I don't know, I just feel like I would break this. These are the shades. They are beautiful. I'm gonna swatch some of them for you really quickly. There is the shades at the bottom of the packaging. I wonder if this is a card that comes out. Oh yeah, okay. So the card at the bottom of the box comes out. So I'm gonna swatch some of these for you really quickly. I'm gonna do them on my wrist, so we have a lot of surface area. So the first one is Gold Standard. I mean, hello, that's beautiful. That's so pretty. And these are all shimmers. Next we have Inferno. I mean, these are so pigmented. And then we have Blue Blood, but this is a purple. I don't really understand that. I'm gonna go here with that one. I'm going all over the place with these. Like, look how pigmented these are. And then next we're gonna go into Sinful. I mean, holy crap. Okay, and then we'll go into Underworld. It's kind of a blue slate navy color. This is Sterling, just like a nice true silver. Holy shit. Okay. Now we're gonna go into Lapis Luxury. This one feels so good. Oh my God. That's crazy. Okay, and then we're gonna go into Divine Mink. This color is stunning. Oh, I'm running out of space. Let me show you. This is one swatch. Just one swipe. I mean, if you're not amazed by that, then you obviously don't like eyeshadow, because that to me is the most exciting thing to happen in a really, really long time. Okay, so two more shades. We have Hedonistic. I don't know, but it's like a reddish. Oh my God, these are literally all duochrome. Like this one goes orange. I don't know if you can see that. This is so, oh my God. You need to go to a Sephora and swatch these colors, especially this one right here, Hedonistic, whatever, this red color. Shit, that's stunning. And then the last one is Enigma, which is this taupey color right here. So like I said, these are all shimmers. This palette will cost you $1 or $2, but I mean, as you can tell, they're so pigmented, and I think they're stunning colors, and I don't really have anything like this, so this is a palette I would use kind of just for the lid colors when I'm doing kind of a fun, unique look, and I want some fun duochrome shadows. I think that this is gonna be so good for the summertime. Last but not least, we have another eyeshadow palette, and this is the Natasha Denona Tropic palette. So let's talk about this guy for a second. So I know there's been some mixed reviews on it, which there was some mixed reviews on her Star palette as well, but let me open it up. This is what it looks like. These colors are so pretty, and I just like, sorry, I already swatched some of them so they look a little bit messy, but I was just drawn to these immediately. I mean, these shades are just gorgeous. I'm thinking that I'm going to do a first impressions eye makeup tutorial with this because I really want to test this out. I've heard a lot of people say a lot of different things about it, and I kind of want to form my own opinion. So yeah, I think be on the lookout for an eye look with this palette, and we'll play with it and see how it goes. So I'm not going to swatch it in this video right now. I'll do another video where I show you some swatches, test it out on my eyes, and give you my first impressions. Alrighty guys, so this is gonna conclude our Sephora haul. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And feel free to always leave me a comment down below for future videos that you wanna see, or if you wanna see a review on any of these products, we'd be happy to do one. And until next time, bye.